na okay and do it to us them echo I was not constrainty then a buy and buy walk and a ye a more and it to a bim but I did woman say walk way since 1992 every election every week walk let me even say both NDC NPP walk. As time goes on,
fast forward more cover I'm watching your social so I'm saying how say you could be joined. Political story training make is making headlines and you jump in ADB Akroma Ewa. I need any brox you say NAD the Kanya. Best say will be to me. I hate it on the notification bell. Share now if you like it now. Well, even nice comment based on conversation I have with our channel. So, Yamisha, your Kesi say what you mean. I decided a mommy. Your mom rowing sim at this point in time. A year NPP ni NDC for in a issue. Now I say Omoye health worker beg pardon. Na a yak simple to Akroma. We at Erupts a year violence. Tutu nyina etimi epiemu ewo eye ayawa so ene mampro before ene echiaya etimi ekofa sabasa yono eba ya omu eye NDC for any MPP say omu eye headwork na at the end of the day no ye efrimu aba no enya asem goto a me no ka say ebi at the hospital itu can be ama uma ya buru munsu ya buru mu pa enya asimbotoa me no ka say NDC ni mapa nso ejina ahoma no so me no ka say ono so all my baby report what you see ground. So at this point in time yes emre inti ne course ankasa
ye na ibeya da wantawa bia emba am pase the Nima divisional command ni Kotobabe district command. Ever started work we know and draw was our 8th week work. But NPP for it was their 2nd or 3rd week almost started work. But ever started we are praying in and they call police station and they call the market your route and mine. I was also not conscious comprised of traditionally Mamubi, the whole Mamubi and Accra New Town. And then they comprise I was so no. So police for no educating my affair. The week way party be Accra New Town. The other party will be in Mamubi. Then the following week alternating in that way. Yesterday we were for Accra New Town at NDC and the NPP for Mamubi.
Okay.
So you call your New Town your campaign your work. Sorry, you call New Town NPP for so more Mamubi everything fine. You go through New Town yes urban because my office of Mamubi that's where we start and that's where we end. You go we year bano. You free New Town year ban say year 2 you call that be 219. Why you see MPP before? So I was surprised because work now and see and see now I ain't fun. And I'm say oh our mom will be cow put this side on. And then maybe say what happened because then you know what happened. No, your boys are here from Sankofa riders. They are riders for NDC. Sankofa riders.
No.
To be piano, you see them in their numbers 20, 30, 40.
In fact, ye video this is here. You will say Kofobi motor so almost NDC t-shirts.
No. Actually, they are not from Ayawaso North. They are from Ayawaso East. But you know, because the constituency is like a twin constituency,
Yeah.
Ayawaso North, Ayawaso East, to say back on at so boys, almost already they go around the constituency every street, just going around creating awareness for NDC. That's what they do. And in fact, in my work, maybe in Pemoto, because the motor no buy, your crop for the way we work now, call hospital. So we catch them say, Mamu for motor ember work. So on Sunday, they also do their own work by using the motor, number about 20, 25, all the principal streets. So whilst we were in New Town, I work, and people were Mamubi. as part of their routine rounds, no, Omokosa ebepie mamubi. Unfortunately, Ombepie road bi and a street bi. Omupie street na NPP for newo omunim. As part of their work, the NPP group are going. They were heading to a junction. At that junction, NPP group will take to the right to their office. That's where they will be ending.
What if Tobo has say, eti moto for no who NPP for na omujinaye?
And omujinaye.
Okay.
With the thinking, say NPP for no were getting closer to a junction or almost far right to their office. And I will say, my omujina ho. So omu could do junction no far right now. Then they can continue and then take left. Nebra and Nina no. And NPP for no Daniel Mweti and Omu NDC for on motorbike. Now. And almost sound Omweti, almost tax no sound Omweti. Ever on the boys. Ekata boys, no, why are they following them? And almost say, oh, they were doing their normal riding in the community. Omu, and meeting almost deny, almost percent, almost far right now. No, almost so aqua far left. And one who know NOBC, they be almost saying, anyway, to see, say, where to see, say, Omuwa Obi is the kind.
Hey, why not easy kind?
NPP for them. There are pictures to it, there are video footage, there are pictures. And Omu is the kind, and I say, now where's you as the kind of them?
And Obi walk no, Mibo, Obi walk no, Obi a one antino, second every.
So I'm coming, I'll get there.
Okay.
And before they could say that warning shot, time. And before they realize, Omo will say one of them, the night moja ever. And I will say, are they? Warning shot, ni moja na ever no, and they go Omuho. And Omo ni na Johnny here. Omo Johnny here no. And Omo far, the kind. Name issue two Omo motorbike in our side.
Wow.
Yeah, can say motorbike 6 ewo moha Omo famba. And then you beat that say. Yeah, funny say NDC for riders no. Omo be share NPP for no. Omo deny it. But let's even assume say Omo no. They even rode an apple ride into them. Yeah, funny say Omo deny. NDC for no ride echo share NPP for no. Must it lead to a gunshot?
But
that's my question.
That's true.
Must it lead to a gunshot? Secondly, question on me, Bisani say, and yet, health worker, why will you be carrying guns on you?
That's the kind.
I see health work, and we are all one in the same community. Why will you be carrying guns on you? So, Master Ubisa, that is the situation. Why will you be carrying guns on you?
Matisa oppose for them say, almost share NDC for ne, NPP for na, omo konto kwano. In fact, I say a story no indicates say over the weekend, omo mount to a manhunt for omo mutechda sa actually bono.
Who share video na NDC for no tapabe no mukoye. Those riders no tapabe na mukoye.
In fact, no
look at the footage. Look at the footage. Yeah. But we have videos, evidence, even from the videos. And the boys had to run for their lives.
But Honorable, I've also seen videos, sir. NDC, to Bo, and the Abo Mukem, MPP for the Kemo, and don't swear. MPP for the Kano, or more to Bo, and Eddie Bo.
Okay. I dare buy me say. Yeah, I didn't see it. Now you have new town.
That's right.
This was just the riders. People should just declare. And then the whole NDC crowd, any MPP crowd, they could see they be. Who are we name? I was so not here. We were somewhere around New Town, near my airport. And the way you see it. So you better do. We control the crowd. Young announce it. Now announce your program. No best say now. All the crowd will have moved there.
That's true.
And the people will be on Catrovia. So we manage the crowd to our destination point, And quickly I address the people. I did see any. in order not to cause panic. You move because they pray in him. I didn't see it. And I can't tell you, and you walk no and I didn't see it. Right as soon as you go pee almost so and I'm supposed to see it. Just to keep calm. So a hospital now your crop on a wolf. And I can't tell you, nobody should move. I just make a way. The Nima district commander, that I also not BNI and NIB director, and confirm me. While they were at the top, MP before Kano was coming to pass through Mimi crowd now. He converged the last point,
Wow.
And the district commander the capital can say, on time call. It's so good for him in the midst of this tension, to use your car to come and pass in the crowd. Definitely there's tension. The district commander said it in front of the director general operation. And you'll be at 3 times or Katre NPP can say on Sanko Kanu and Fino. The BNI director said it in our meeting yesterday that they want the driver not to come and pass. And the driver didn't listen to them. But at that time I informed NPP can't have. So they were rushing to the car. Police for now almost a service situation. It would have been a different thing altogether. So this is the situation. But the point of issue here is Shamusi health worker. Why will you be carrying guns? We a health work MPP for.
Interesting.
And they are pictures, footage to those holding those weapons. And Ushe, especially those of them now holding weapons, they are not from the community. If they are not from the community, why not come from wherever MPP walk? They just walk out. Why not do a mobile?
Very well. Honorable, Eddie Namoye, Eddie Abua, a post for the Serabaya, Sa a meme for Woody for a Timodim for way. Emrano new
for me, this is just an eye opener to the Ghana police towards our general election. This is even a health work. Young guys, health work. Just one for our fitness, two to galvanize more support. Even health work, can you imagine what can happen on the election day? Can you imagine?
Bese me imagine po. Honorable, yɛmfa ntwene ha. Mɛda wo ase pa.
Nti we ensema horo a itim ekoso e wo channel so ma me na wase se wo giamre e wa ha da sene so bade no e di adom ye den besen ehiem na yetimi e di chinsin so atimi akosom but I say ya mi shop se wa ye kese ya mi shawo nya o kese so on my channel atimi afa no to my pay from I mean that's it.